Hello everyone and welcome to this week's Tuesday tip. This is Reggie Patterson and this week we are going to talk about how to build a responsive mailing list. Now, one of the keys to building a successful business is to build responsive mailing lists, including your prospect list and your list of buyers. But for the purposes of this Tuesday tip, we're going to focus on how to build a prospect list. So let's get started. Step one is to create an enticing lead magnet. First, you need to do your market research to find out what your market wants. You can do this by visiting marketplaces like Udemy, ClickBank, and Amazon to see what sorts of info products people are already buying. Look for best-selling products in your niche and multiple products on the same topic. Both of these are signs that a product is popular. The key here is to find out what type of product people are buying, but then create something fresh. In other words, don't copy anyone's product. Instead, create a product on the same topic with your own fresh perspective and unique tips and information. Step two is to start capturing leads. Here, you set up a lead page so you can start capturing people's information. You need two things for this: a trusted autoresponder like Aweber, GetResponse, ConvertKit, iContact, or something similar, and compelling copy for your lead page. If you're not familiar with how to craft benefit-driven sales copy, then outsource this task to a professional. Search Google for copywriters or post a job on a freelancing site like Upwork.com. Step three is to create your emails. Every email you send should seek to build relationships and pre-sell your offers. With those goals in mind, follow these tips. Provide useful yet incomplete information. The useful information helps you build good relationships with your subscribers, while the incomplete information gives you an opportunity to sell the rest of the solution on the back end. For example, you can provide really good and useful dieting tips and then sell a diet guide at the end of the email. Promote one offer per email. This helps boost your conversion rate. And create a series. People rarely buy a product the first time they hear about it. That's why you will want to send 3 to 5 emails for each product you're promoting. For example, if you're selling a diet guide, then you might send out a 3-part series called The 3 Keys to Rapid Weight Loss. Each email would provide one useful key and then promote the offer at the end. So, to sum up today's tip, building a responsive list is about taking these steps: offering something people really want in exchange for their email address, and sending really useful content on a regular basis so that people keep opening your emails. When you build a responsive list, then making money is as simple as promoting offers that you know your audience will really love. Now, just as a reminder, you can get our special report, 10 Fast and Easy Ways to Build Your Lead Magnet, and you can also get complimentary access to our 3 latest products and our e-learning academy when you become an IMPC Insider by going to impc.ws/14day. So that's really about it for tonight. I hope that this has been helpful for you, and I will see you again next Tuesday. Take care.